Okay, so now that you're logged in as a teacher, here is your homepage. Most of you probably signed up as a general education teacher, as that's what most elementary school teachers would fall under. So since that's the case, you're going to see whatever's trending in general education. If you put mathematics, then it would only show math videos. If you show science, etc. So these are the ones, these are trending. That means that there seems to be quite a few people that are using them, or they're just recently added in. So these are kind of fun. You can see Day of the Dead. Maybe you forgot about it. I don't know. And then you wanted to teach your kids about it. There's also, I'm going to come back to this one, but it's called curriculum. So it says the best curated content for your classes. So just briefly, if you go to view content of elementary, you can see videos by subject, by standard, or by curriculum. Super amazingly powerful. We will come back to that. You could even, so videos by standard. Let's say I'm a kindergarten teacher and I want to have videos about, you can even have Dr. Seuss lessons if you wanted to. So we're going to come back to that, but you can easily find lessons that would fit your students. There's also this Princess Nahi Enna Enna. So everyone who just signed up as a teacher at our school, whatever videos they create, now you can be able to see them, which is great. It makes it so much easier to share resources because then they can select yours, they can copy it, and assign it to their own students. So this could even be a way to have formative assessments for RTI or not, just to have it as a formative assessment for a science unit or whatever else. But then everyone can easily give their students all the same assignment. Share the workload a bit. For my content, you shouldn't have anything yet. I was kind of tinkering, so I added this one in there. But this should be completely blank. But as you add in things, this is where the stuff that you create will go. Now here's where it gets exciting. Here's EdPuzzle. This is of every teacher ever that's used EdPuzzle and has posted a video using it. They're all here. There's an amazing, insane amount of videos that are here. You could even just search by Bill Nye. And you could have a science lesson using a Bill Nye video that's already there. So that's kind of cool. You can search for elapsed time. Right? And so these are all of the elapsed time videos that EdPuzzle teachers have already created. And what's kind of cool, so you can see how long the video is, how many questions it has, the name of the video, and then this isn't necessarily the person that created the video, it's the teacher that edited the video. That's the name that shows up down here. So these are just from EdPuzzle. These are ones that teachers have already used and with their students and assigned to their students. You can also search with YouTube. Now these ones are probably not going to have any questions there because these ones are just a YouTube search of videos that have to do with elapsed time that you might want to use. There's Khan Academy videos that have to do with elapsed time, and you can select any of these. National Geographic, you can show your kids a time lapse to show them what is even happening with elapsed time. TED Talks, probably nothing. This is more of a physics website, the Veritasium. Numberphile, there's one, okay. And Crash Course, it can show you how Americans have been keeping time, or people of the Americas have been keeping time. So you could even make a math lesson more of a social studies lesson and kind of bridge the two ideas together. Either way, you can see that this helps you quickly find, just by searching by your topic, different videos that are already out there for you that you can use with your students. And if you use the EdPuzzle ones, these are ones that already have questions embedded. But let's go ahead and just go to National Geographic and look at volcanoes. We'll do Hawaii volcanoes. That makes sense. So if I go to it and I like it, just pretend I watched it and loved it after this ad.
It is the largest volcano on Earth and a feet above sea level.
So this one's a little dated, as you can see, so maybe I don't want it. Okay, so then I can go to YouTube, and maybe I can pick a more recent one. That one's huge, but this is cute. We all know this is cute, so let's use this one. I can click on the movie, and I'm going to go to copy. So now it is in my content as something that I can use. So if I go to my content, here it is.